I'm looking at the screen. Listen, I need your help immediately. That Forces has possessed at her and abusing me like a punching bag. Look what he has done for. I need you can run and hide before he catches you and it's too late. And because if you don't, you'll someday end up like me.
I found you! It's another victim! Are you ready for level 2?
Please, for the love of heaven, I don't want to be a level 2 anymore. I'm begging you, sis.
It's too late. It's time to kill you right now.
I don't want to be worst. Before it too.
Don't be scared or afraid. You're next to last time to be ready.